Now, I don't know about you, but I love laundry day. On a scorching hot summer's day like today, what else is there lovely to see than a washing line full of washing, drying in the sunshine? There's nothing like drying clothes outside. The smell of it as it's drying and that natural drying, it just smells and feels different. And of course, like with the towels, when they're dry, I put them in the tumble dryer for about half an hour with the woolen balls, and it softens them up really nicely, because outdoor drying makes things dry a lot more crusty, if you like, even with softener. And of course, any surface is fair game for drying laundry, especially the smalls. I just love laundry day. It brings back memories from when I was a child. My grandmother always had a washing day. It used to be a Monday. Today just happens to be mine. It's whatever day there's the biggest pile and I can do the most laundry all in one go. I used to have a twin tub. I don't know if you remember them, but you've got the one side, the top loader, one side was washing, and then you'd put it in the spin dryer on the other side. That used to take me a whole day almost doing that washing. And you'd have to empty the drum and put fresh water in for each colour load. And the spinning, and oh my gosh, you couldn't leave it, you were standing by it all the time. Those were the days before we could afford an automatic. I mean, automatic washing machines have been around for a long time, but we just couldn't afford it. We had one given to us, and it was really lovely to be able to use a twin tub when we had nothing else. I remember when I was a child, washing day with my mum at one stage, because she also had a twin tub for a bit, but before she had a twin tub, she used to put us in the bath with the washing, and we'd stomp on the washing with our feet, marching up and down, and wash the washing that way, empty the bathtub, and then fill it with fresh water to rinse it, and then do it all again. We were very fit children. I loved doing washing that way. It was good fun, and I can still do it now. I know that if we ever got stuck without electricity or a washing machine, or you know, I know I can clean my laundry very easily without a concern, because I've had experience of doing it as a child. We even had in the garden, for good days, those tin baths with washerboards, and that was easy to use as well. That was good fun. A lot of people would say, how could you say that's fun? But it was. For children it was good memories. For adults it was probably drudgery. But it just gives me fond memories of washing clothes. I mean, who sits and ponders fond memories of laundry days? But there is. I think there's a mindfulness about doing the washing, cleaning out the old and making things fresh and new, and looking after the things you have, making them last. I think something special about being able to do washing. I'm very grateful for those kinds of blessings. I'm grateful that we have water to be able to do that. And you've seen my laundry cupboard. I'll put a link into the video where I covered the kind of stuff I use for my laundry. And of course a few things have changed since, but I do still use the natural cleaning detergents and softeners and stuff like that. So it makes laundry day more mindful for me. That I use whatever resources I can in nature. So I'm not using too many, I'm not using the nasty chemicals, and I do a full load of washing instead of half loads, and I'm careful with my water use, and I use the outside light and warmth to dry the washing. And even when it's raining, I hang clothes on coat hangers on the shower curtain rails or on curtain rails. I mean, the house looks like a laundrette, but at least even on the rainy days I can touch dry clothes like that and then tumble dry them to air them, so I'm using less electricity. But that's the kind of thing I think about on laundry day. And when it's time to bring the washing in and the heat warmth of the day is still on there, it's satisfyingly dry. Time to fold up the clothes, take them indoors and put them away. Every little space made use of to dry it. Even the framing for the apple trees. Do you know, this is how sad my love of doing laundry goes. I love the feel of the stuff as it's all done and all the socks are paired up so nothing gets lost. And then having everything put away where it belongs, seeing it all tidy is quite satisfying. So they'll all go straight upstairs and be put away. Except of course for the ironing shirts like this, the cotton shirts. I usually just tumble dry for half an hour and you don't need to iron it. But you know what the crazy thing is? I love ironing. I love seeing the creases disappear out of clothes, and even standing in front of the ironing board and smoothing out those creases and hearing the steam of the steam iron is quite satisfying and relaxing actually to me. But you know what? I never get to do it. I don't have that amount of spare time to stand and iron. So if there's a way I can dry, freshen up, air and hang up the shirts and ironable stuff immediately, then they don't need ironing. So ironing to me really is a treat that I get to do very occasionally, and I enjoy it. So it can be as much or as little work as you want. What is it that you think about on laundry day? What memories do you have of washing clothes from childhood to now, and what memories are connected to laundry for you? Only if they're happy memories, of course. I wouldn't want you to bring back horrible memories, but for me, laundry day sometimes can really give me a boost, and I hope it does for you too, and that next time you do your washing of your laundry and hang it out on the line, that you take in a moment just to think about the beautiful blessings of sunshine, of air, of water, the ability to wash those clothes and be able to put on something clean, and be grateful for it, be thankful. I just thought I'd share that with you for today. I do hope that you have a good day wherever you are, whatever season you're in, and find something lovely in it. Speak to you again soon. Don't forget to comment if you feel like you want to comment. It's always lovely to read comments and hear from you. And if you want to, like, subscribe and share. And I'll speak to you again soon. Bye bye.